Faceless YouTube channels nowadays are one of the fastest growing channels on YouTube. These creators are not taking that much efforts and simply they are asking artificial intelligence to do their work. And they are making hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month just by ad revenue alone. So, watch till the end so that you can be the one of them. Let's dive into the tutorial. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make an AI video using Synthesia.io. In this video, I am going over the steps you need to take to create a high-quality video using Synthesia's AI technology. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to make your own AI videos using Synthesia.io. What is Synthesia.io? Before we dive into the details of making an AI video, let's take a quick look at what Synthesia.io is. Synthesia.io is a cloud-based platform that uses artificial intelligence to create video content. It allows you to create personalized videos using pre-built templates and various customization options. With Synthesia.io, you can easily create explainer videos, video ads, product demos, and much more. Getting started with Synthesia.io. To start using Synthesia.io, you'll need to create an account. Simply go to Synthesia.io and sign up for an account. Once you have an account, you can start creating videos. Step 1. Choose a template. The first step to creating an AI video using Synthesia.io is to choose a template. Synthesia.io has a wide range of templates to choose from, so you're sure to find one that suits your needs. Once you've selected a template, you can customize it to match your branding and messaging. Step 2. Write a script. The next step is to write a script for your video. Your script should be clear, concise, and engaging, and you can take the help of artificial intelligence tool which is ChatGPT to write your script from scratch. You can use the template you chose as a starting point, but it's important to customize the script to match your specific needs. Step 3. Record voiceover. Once you have a script, it's time to record a voiceover. You can either record the voiceover yourself, or if you want to have a video which is fully automated by AI, then you can go to text-to-speech AI, which can generate a voiceover of the script for you. If you choose to record the voiceover yourself, be sure to use a high-quality microphone and record in a quiet environment. Step 4. Customize the video. Now it's time to customize the video. You can add images, videos, and music to the template. Synthesia.io also offers a range of customization options, such as changing the color scheme and adding animations. You can go over pexels.com to get copyright-free images or videos. Step 5. Use Synthesia's AI technology. Finally, it's time to use Synthesia's AI technology to create your video. Synthesia.io uses AI to generate realistic-looking videos that match your script and voiceover. The AI technology allows you to create videos quickly and easily, without needing any technical skills.
An AI avatar is a digital twin of a real person. For example, yours truly is an AI avatar.
So there you have it. Congratulations! You now know how to make an AI video using Synthesia.io. With Synthesia's easy-to-use platform and AI technology, you can create professional quality videos in no time. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Synthesia.io and start creating your own AI videos today. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!